In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check DMs on Instagram. If you've ever wondered where your private messages live or how to reply quickly, you're in the right place. This is a simple walkthrough designed to get you comfortable with checking and sending messages in just a few taps. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the familiar paper airplane icon, or, depending on your version of the app, a messenger style icon. Both take you to the same place. Go ahead and tap that icon to open your direct messages. As soon as you tap it, you'll land on your inbox. Here, Instagram shows a list of all your conversations, with the most recent ones at the top. You might notice profile pictures, snippets of the latest message, and timestamps that help you quickly see what's new. If some conversations look bold, that usually means there are unread messages waiting for you. To read a message, simply tap on any conversation. The full chat will open, showing your message history so you can catch up on the context before responding. This is helpful if you're picking up a conversation after a break and want to remember what was last said. When you're ready to reply, look for the text box at the bottom of the screen. Tap inside that box to bring up your keyboard and start typing your message. Keep it simple or write something longer, whatever fits the situation. As you type, you'll see your words appear in the text box, just like any other chat app. Once your message looks good, hit send. That's it. Your reply goes straight to the conversation. You can use the same process to start talking with someone you've never messaged before as well. Just type your message in the text box and send it to begin that chat. And that's really all there is to checking and sending messages in your Instagram DMs. Open the app, tap the icon in the top right, choose a conversation to read, type your message in the text box, and hit send. It's fast, intuitive, and designed to keep your conversations moving without any hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.